In this guide, we'll delve into the finest methods to convert HEIC to JPG on both Windows and Mac platforms, ensuring your images retain their excellence. Throughout the process, let's embark on this journey to preserve image quality effortlessly. Part 1. Why convert HEIC to JPG? Compatibility with older devices and software. Widespread compatibility for online platforms. Cross-platform sharing. Editing flexibility. Print services. Reducing file size. Interoperability with non-Apple ecosystems. Backup and archiving. Part 2. How to convert HEIC to JPG without losing quality offline. 1. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter. For a seamless offline conversion of HEIC to JPG without compromising quality, consider Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter. How to convert HEIC to JPG without losing quality on Windows and Mac with HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 1. Download and install the converter. Download and install the HEIC to JPG converter on your computer. Launch the program to access its main interface. Step 2. Add HEIC files. Click Add HEIC to import your target HEIC files. Step 3. Configure conversion settings. Select HEIC photo. Choose output format JPGN. Decide on Keep EXIF data. Set 100% quality for original high quality. Step 4. Initiate the conversion. Click Convert to start the conversion process from HEIC to JPG or JPG or PG. Once completed, click Show in Folder to view your converted photos. 2. Convert HEIC to JPG on Windows. Double-click HEIC file open in Windows Photo app. Click Edit and Create. Choose Edit. Make desired edits. Click Save a copy. Save as JPEG in a separate folder from the original HEIC. Note, JPEG won't replace HEIC. Keep them in the same folder if preferred. 3. Convert HEIC to JPG on Mac. Open Preview on Mac. Launch HEIC file. Click File. Choose Export. From Format, select JPEG. Adjust Quality Slide. Modify the name. Select Destination. Click Save to convert. JPG version saved in specified location. Part 3. How to convert HEIC to JPG without losing quality online. 1. AConvert Image Converter. Visit AConvert, upload HEIC, or enter URL. Choose JPEG as output. Optionally adjust size. Click Convert Now. Download the converted JPG file from the provided link. 2. A PowerSoft HEIC Converter. Go to a PowerSoft free online HEIC converter. Click Add Files to upload HEIC images. Choose Files, select JPG as output format. Optionally adjust quality. Click Convert to start. After conversion, click Download to save JPG files.